Got some lights for it. Goddamn. Got this whole kit. Gonna throw all that together and make some shape. See, I already started with the fuck shit. So, Monte Carlo in the garage. Headlights, whole front suspension going in, so like shit getting done. You know, I was slacking and shit. Shit should have been done, car should have been done. But, you know, life happened. Shit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, other than that, car, you know what I'm saying? So like, but other than that, y'all stay tuned, cause I'm finna go and knock this shit out. Yeah, I'm finna knock this shit out, so y'all stay tuned. So far, I gotta get bearings for the new ones. I gotta get on the back and front bearings. Go and pop this ball joint out. Might take the whole thing out, clean it up. And while I got everything like this, go ahead and paint the frame. Go and knock all that out. Get new calipers. Then change out these ball joints. Probably gonna call it a day after this. So far, headlights in, got everything took out. Cleaning up some wiring. Doing it right, you know, solder. Gotta use that heat shrink, all that. Cleaning up. Everything gonna come together. Gotta get some new calipers. We'll go with some Brembo or some wheel wood, what it called? Something, but yeah. Got this put together. Front linking. Throw that in. Take it to alignment shop. And get that the alignment did. Then they get a ball joint press so I can go and knock that out. Clean that off, paint that. Then once I paint the bottom, the low control arm, I'm gonna go ahead, clean the frame off, paint the frame, then throw it back together once I get them bearings for the hub and the rotor. Well, not the rotor, but the, what's the shit called? I can't even think worth a damn. What it is. Damn. Y'all help me. Y'all know what it's called. But yeah, coming along.